Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how text wrap in Excel. To start, we open our Excel file. Our first method will be to select the cell with the data. After that, in the Home menu, you must click on Wrap Text. You will see the text box on the sheet. Another alternative to use is to right-click on the cell and then click on Format Cells. Here in the Alignment tab, you will activate the Wrap Text box. Click on OK. After this, check the text on the cell. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.